Hi there. So welcome to the section where we look at what is going to work for you. The main success story that you're going to be able to claim is that this is your tour, it's unique to you, and it fits in very comfortably with what you already love. So let's dig in and find the 3 key areas that are going to define what makes this course work for you. We're going to look at the areas in which you love to communicate with people. So first of all, how do you communicate with people? Do you tend to use long stories to make a point? Do you like to create an environment of friendship and warmth in a group before you make your point known? Do you use lots of jokes to get your point across? Are you quite serious? Do you like to have lots of facts to back up everything you say? Do you tend to look at history to explain why things are the way they are? If you're not quite sure exactly what is your style of communication, look at the books that you tend to read, say on your Kindle or on your bookshelf, and you might notice a theme. Is there lots of non-fiction? Is there lots of humorous work there? Do you like to go and see long movies that really take in long epic stories? That would be a key to how you like to communicate yourself. So on your sheet of paper, mark down the kinds of phrases you use when you're out talking to people that lead into the way that you communicate how things are. So with the sheet of paper below, cross off the phrases that you would very rarely use and look at the way that you directly communicate with your friends, with people that you feel comfortable with, because finding this out is going to be a key to creating a successful tour for you. The next thing we need to look at is the kinds of places that you feel alive in. Think back to your school days when you went on trips. When were the times that you just couldn't wait to go on that school trip? Was it museums, castles? Did you like shopping malls? Was it unusual places that nobody else had discovered? Was it places that offered great food experiences, great entertainment experiences? Or did you like rather modern experiences of new architecture, shocking places that were very vibrant, built very recently and built to be controversial? So out of all those, on the next section of the sheet of paper, have a look at what resonates with you and what you would like to present to your audience. And then finally, have a look at the kinds of stories that really make you feel connected. There are, in effect, about 7 main story types, and they are listed on the sheet that we've got down below. But just think, what kinds of stories do you best like to tell? Is it the quest, where someone's trying to find something and they have a lot of struggles and obstacles to find that? Is it a romance where love lies at the end of every story? There usually is one key story that we all like telling, and if you can tap into that, and then we will be able to craft each location around the story that you really want to tell. So the whole purpose of this section is to dig into your natural style, what you really love to communicate and how you like to do it. That's what we need to achieve before we move on to the next section. So have a look at the sheet of paper and find out exactly where you want to go with your tour and tap into what you love, what you really want to communicate with your customers. And this is a good time too to just visualize the kinds of customers that are going to be coming on your tour, who you're going to be communicating with. See you in the next section. Just get that nailed, what you like communicating and the kinds of places that you like to go. See you soon.